let's start. Just lying comfortably on your back, the whole body nice and relaxed. We're gonna do 3 stretches for the lower back. So starting with a spinal twist. So you're gonna start with the left side, so bringing the left knee up and crossing over the right knee. So letting the knee and the hips fall onto the right side. Both arms in a cross shape. And turning the neck to the left side. And just really noticing where your knee sits. That's okay if it's just not stretching too much. That doesn't really matter. You will find a pillow that you can put just under your knee to support. It's really important to feel comfortable with your stretch. So the key here is to find those points of resistance. Everyone experiences them in a different way. Everyone has a different body and points of tightness. And last deep breath in into that pose. And really trying to find the comfort within the discomfort. And extending the left knee, now bringing the right knee up, crossing over right on the outside of the left knee. And finding the momentum to fall. So here you create to find your foot. Yeah. For example, now I feel that I need to move my hip a little bit back, and it's okay to do adjustments, you know. Just knowing that you're gonna be here for at least 30 seconds. Time here is not the most important guideline. That's why it's so important to get in touch with the sensation of the body. So you start to get a sense of what is that your body needs. And 3 more deep breaths in. And just see if the leg and the right knee can go a little bit further down. It's not about forcing, it's about allowing to drop, allowing gravity to take over. Even on the arms, neck. And last deep breath in here. Very nice. We're gonna go for the second stretch now. A lot of back pain causes are found on the glutes, for tightness of the glutes. So you're gonna stretch the glutes now. So starting with the right leg on top of the left. Both hands coming in to rug behind the left knee. So the right hand goes into the triangle formed, and you can grab either on the back of the thigh or on the front of the knee. Whatever you can reach and whatever feels more comfortable for you. And really bring that knee towards the chest. And the most important thing here is the breath. Deep breaths here will really calm down the nervous system. Will activate the parasympathetic nervous system, allowing the nerves to stop fighting the muscles. And with our calm mind, we just allow that to happen. As we notice, as we have the awareness of where it is tight in my body, and sending a relaxing breath on that point of resistance. Two more deep breaths in. Just allowing comfort to become your guideline. Finding the comfort in the discomfort. Finding release in the pain. As we bring both knees down and we cross in the opposite leg. One hand through the triangle and the other hand through the outside. Grabbing hold of the back of the thigh or the front of the knee. It is very interesting that our body knows what to do. So when we stop to listen, it will tell us everything we need. But it is also funny that we keep busy with relationships all around us, but the relationship with ourselves and relationship with our body we sometimes forget. So now we're living a time that we need to remember. We lost track of body sensations. We are losing our guidance. We still need our bodies to function and to work and to live a fulfilling life, yeah. So just allowing the body to be and surrender the whole body to the ground. Or you may choose to do this on your bed, and unless the bed is so soft that it can't hold you, it's a great place to start the day, or to wind down as you go into bed. Nice. And you may notice one side is usually different from the other. So grabbing both knees now, and really small circles with the knees, massaging the lower back. Nice. We're going now through to our third and last stretch. Because we stretched a lot the back of the body, now we're going to stretch a little bit the front of the body and leave the back in extension for a bit. So bringing the feet as close as you can to the pelvis, to the bum. And I'm going to raise the belly button and the hips. Interlace the fingers under the bum and bringing shoulders together, bringing the shoulder blades together, squeezing that in and lifting through the pubic bone here, lifting towards the sky. It's actually a very beautiful blue sky here today. It's amazing. No clouds at all. And it is winter. It's amazing. Breathing the quality of nature, of trees into your body, the water, rivers, ocean, and release. We're gonna do one more time, taking a deep breath in and lifting the hips, allowing the thighs to contract and hold you. Our thighs are holding us here and slightly squeezing the glutes and knees slightly together, so engaging our adductor muscles as well, the ones in between the legs, the inner leg. And bringing down. Ah, nice. Well done.